What's up, everybody, and welcome to my channel. I am Michelle, and this is Immaculate Life. I hope you all are staying safe and taking care of each other. In this video, I'm going to be doing some ombre knotless box braids on my daughter. As you can see, they're pretty long. So if you're interested and you would like to see how we achieve this look, please sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I've already started. I shampooed and gave her a deep condition, and I also moisturized the hair. You all know how I am about moisturizing the hair before the box braids. But if you want to see how I shampoo and condition the hair before box braids, I will be sure to leave a video for you all to check out. Also, she had a full frontal before the box braids, and she wanted to give herself a break from the sew-ins. So we went ahead and just decided to do the box braids. And look at y'all, look at all that hair she has. Ooh, it definitely didn't come from me. Also, I'm not trying to do so much talking. I really wanted you all just to watch the video. So I'm going to be popping in and out throughout the video. Okay, so y'all, right here I am parting her hair, and when parting the hair, you want these knotless braids to be as neat as possible. So as you can see, I go back and forth to make sure that it's nice and clean, and you're gonna see me lift the hair up. And when I lift it up, I'm just want to make sure that the braids are not too small and not too big. So I want to make sure that they're all even in size. And when doing this, it's really important that you just take your time, especially if you want to look as neat as possible, especially for your client. So as you can see here, by looking at my partings, I am using the bricklayer technique, and this will make the hair appear a little bit more fuller. Most stylists use this technique when they're doing the knotless braids, and you can also use this on regular box braids as well. So real quick, I wanted to show you all what the hair looked like. Like I said, I made a mistake and got rid of the packaging to the hair. But this is what the hair looks like. It's ombre-ish. It's got like a 1B. I think it's a 1B 30. I'm not sure. Y'all, look at how nice and neat these braids are. Look at the partings. It's just perfect. The length is perfect. Everything about it is coming along. I'm pleased. Okay, so real quick, I wanted to show you all how I do my knotless braids. So I basically break the hair up into 3, and I start off my braid. As you all can see, I am left-handed, so I'm going to be starting on that side, and the hair is going to go underneath my finger, around and underneath my finger. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to bring it around, and I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to grab another strand of hair, bring that under and on top of my finger. I'm going to braid again. I'm going to do one more time, and I'm going to grab another strand, and I'm going to braid it on top, put it on top of my finger and underneath, and then I'm going to keep on braiding. If you are wondering what product I'm using the Magic Finger Studio Shine Jam. It is awesome. I love it. I also have this in my Amazon store. Please go and check it out. If you're interested in that, you can purchase it from there. I will be sure to leave a link in the description box. So what I do after I do the trimming of the stray hairs, I go back and I put a little oil on the scalp, because sometimes braiding can be a little bit of a discomfort for the client. So you want to make sure that that scalp has a little bit of oil on it, because it can become dry. And the oil that I'm using is by Influence Hair Care. It is the natural hair oil. I use it on most of my clients when I'm doing their box braids, and it's a really, really great oil. So now I'm going to use some mousse, and I'm going to put this all over the braids. And this is not only going to give the hair some shine, but it's also going to take care of any extra flyaways. And then you're going to see me put about 2 or 3 wrap caps on top to lay it down for a few minutes while I dip her ends in the water. Okay, y'all, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. If you are new, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are interested and you love the hair videos, just let me know, put it in the comments, and I will continue to give you more. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.